Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Scorpio. Scorpio people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay. So Scorpio, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. And in the end, I'm also going to see some handwritten love notes from your partner's side for you. The love messages for you from your partner side. Let's see what they want to tell you. Scorpio, Three of Pentacles. Oh my god. Scorpio people, are you guys taking some kind of a counseling session from somebody, or perhaps you are taking some kind of advice from your seniors? This advice could be related with your relationship with your person. This advice could be related to your job, career, finances. Some kind of a discussion is happening in your life, Scorpio peoples. You guys are definitely talking to somebody senior, somebody who is a mentor to you. Okay, it could be your family, it could be your parents, it could be your friends, your loved ones, it could be your managers, your boss, your gurus. Okay, so you guys are taking some guidance from somebody. It could be related to your person, your relationship with your person. It could be related to your education, your finances, your career, your goals. So some kind of a discussion is happening. And yes, or it could also happen for some of you Scorpio people that you are somebody who is giving guidance to the other people. You are at that position in life that now you are able to give guidance to other people. Okay, perhaps your subordinates are taking guidance from you. So some kind of a meeting is happening for you, right? Sorry. Ten of Swords. This is your partner's current energy. Scorpio people, your person has been through tough time. Your person is being somebody who feels that somebody has killed their emotions. They feel that somebody has killed their love. Okay, somebody has killed their soul. Okay, so they are feeling like, oh my god, what is happening with me? Oh my god, they are going through some kind of a transformation in their life, or perhaps the transformation has already been done for them. All right, so they are being somebody who is like completely devastated right now. Your person is like feeling completely lost in life right now. Okay, something has happened with them in past. Okay, that thing has made them really sick and tired. They are not somebody who is understanding why this thing is happening with me. Okay, that means a transformation is happening for them. Universe is doing some miracles for them. Divine is doing some miracles for them, but they are not somebody who who is understanding what is happening with them. So they are feeling lost, they are feeling depressed, they are feeling sad, they are feeling anxious, worried about their life, their future, their stand in life, right? Okay, this is your partner's current energy. Now let's see, Scorpio people, what action you are taking towards them and what action they are taking towards you. What action you are taking for them and what action they are taking for you. Oh, Wheel of Fortune. So this is your card, Scorpio people, the Fool. You are taking action towards them. You are just trying to act naive at this point of time. You are being somebody who is giving enough chances to this person, or perhaps I'm feeling that you still wants to give them some chance, some chances, right? Okay, you are giving them enough scope. Okay, you are believing in them, you are trusting them that okay, they are they are going through some tough time right now, but yes, you believe that once the time will be correct, they are definitely going to take some, they will definitely do something for you, they will definitely take some action towards you. Okay, so you are just being very naive with this person. You are being very confident with this person. You are trusting them. You are believing in them. All right. On the other hand, your person is being very silent right now. Okay, they are into their own energies. They are not understanding what's happening with them. Okay, I told you that they are going through some transformation, but yes, they are not able to comprehend what's happening with them. So yes, with this Wheel of Fortune, I feel that the time has a right for them to take action towards you, or perhaps they are like really really scared to take any action towards you. They feel that, okay, no, I'll take action for my Scorpio after 10 days. No, I'll take action for my Scorpio on 10th of this month or that year, or in this particular month or in this particular year. So they are, I feel that they are a little scared. What if you are not going to accept their apology? What if you are not going to understand what's happening with them or what has happened with them? Okay, so they are a little scared, plus yes, they are waiting for the correct time. Let's see how you see them and how they see you. How they see you and how you see them. Seven of Swords. Scorpio, you see them as somebody who act as a knife person in past. Okay, who is somebody who never wants to settle down in life, who is somebody who just wants to run away from here and there. Okay, you see them as somebody who feels that, okay, this place does not belongs to me, now I should move this from this place. Okay, so you feel them, I mean, you see them as somebody who is not stable in life, who is not ready to take any responsibilities in life, who is not ready to do a specific or something, big in life. Okay, so they are little afraid to take action. So you feel that this person, it's really really feels really scared whenever it comes to commitment. Okay, on the other hand, with this Chariot card, your person sees you as somebody who has a complete whole, see them as completely opposite to each other. Okay, this person, you feel that they are naive, and they see you as somebody who is very strong minded person. Okay, with this Chariot card, they see you as somebody who has a good hold, okay, on your life. You know how to move ahead in life, you know how to take actions in life. You are somebody who has complete control or total control of your life in your own hand. Okay, so they see you as somebody who is mature, who is a warrior, who is somebody who knows what is good for them and not, or what is not good for them. All right, now let's see what is the future potential of this relationship. Four of Pentacles. Okay, Scorpio people, I feel that in future as well, your person is definitely going to be very very fearful about something. Okay, they have some fear within their heart and mind. Perhaps they are being money minded, or they'll act as a money minded person in future. Okay, I don't want to lose this, I don't want to lose that. Perhaps they are going to be very very possessive for you as well. This could also happen, Scorpio, that they will act as a very possessive person, that, oh my god, this is my Scorpio, nobody dare to touch them or talk to them. Okay, so they'll be really really they'll act as a really possessive person for you. Okay, now let's see what angel is asking you to do. Angel guidance for Scorpio, please. Let's see, angel guidance for Scorpio, please. The situation will improve. They will definitely improve. Whatever the situation you are facing right now, Scorpio people, angels are saying that the situation will improve. Okay, you need to believe in angels, you need to believe in process, you need to believe in the correct timings. Now the interesting part of this reading, handwritten love notes from your partner side for you. Let's see what they wants to tell you. What is their secret message for you? Okay, so first message for Scorpio is, it was true love at first sight, at last sight, and forever and ever. Okay, interesting. Second message for Scorpio people is, I think about you 24/7. They think about you 24/7. Scorpio people, your person is seeing the best life partner in you. I am seeing a best life partner in you, Scorpio. Okay, second last message for Scorpio people is, oh, that's so cute, I wanna cuddle with you. And the last message for Scorpio people is our time apart is only temporary. I told you that perhaps they are waiting for the correct time towards you. Okay, they wish to take action towards you, but yes, I feel that they are taking their own time, right? Okay, so Scorpio people, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this three of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles. Some of you could be dealing with Cancer with this Chariot. We have air sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Seven of Swords and Ten of Swords, right? Okay, so Scorpio, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.